We'll guide you through how to use ChatGPT in healthcare settings to enhance efficiency in patient care. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open your web browser and go to the ChatGPT website. Make sure you're logged into your account or create one if you haven't yet. Once you're in, you'll want to navigate to the dashboard where you can initiate a new chat. Now, in the healthcare context, ChatGPT can assist in several ways. For instance, you can use it to draft patient communication emails, summarize patient notes, or even create templates for common clinical documents like consent forms or discharge instructions. Simply type your request or question into the chat box. For example, you can ask, can you help draft a follow-up email for a patient who had surgery last week, or summarize the key points from these patient notes. ChatGPT will generate a response that you can review and modify as needed. It's important to always verify the information provided, as ChatGPT is a tool to assist, but not replace professional judgment. Additionally, if you're working on research or need to compile information on medical topics, you can ask ChatGPT to provide a summary or a list of resources. For instance, you might type, provide a brief overview of the latest findings on diabetes management. This can save you time and help you stay informed on the latest developments in healthcare. Remember, while ChatGPT is a powerful tool, it's crucial to maintain patient confidentiality and adhere to all relevant healthcare regulations when using AI for professional tasks. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.